Do you think Atiku is right? Is what he's saying?
I think we should shut up. That's it. I'm not in support of Tinubu, but everybody shut up. Because even if Atiku is there, he will do the same. So he should shut up. I don't want to be listening to all these people that are not relevant to Nigerian politics. Atiku is not relevant to Nigerian politics. What does he know that he's saying? He should shut up. If he's there too, he will do the same thing. Is it because we did not vote him? So why is he not making statement? Why is he not talking? Why is he trying to draw with the masses against Tinubu? I'm not a fan of Tinubu. I've always been against the man. But in this case, I will tell Atiku to shut up. Tinubu is just there. We know he's not doing anything. Who are you, Atiku, to remind us that Tinubu is trying to make Nigeria look like Lagos State? Oh, you are just realizing it now. When we were shouting it when he was in Lagos State, that he was controlling Lagos, Atiku did not talk that time. Then who are you now to talk? Are you mad? Please, stop it, please. Sorry to use that language, please. You know I'm hungry. I don't like it when I'm angry. Please, Atiku, stop it.
Is it that you don't trust Atiku?
No, he should not remind Nigeria. He's trying to remind us of, we know what Tinubu is doing already. So we should not hear it from somebody like Atiku. Because if he's there, he also is a criminal. He will sell Nigeria. Atiku will sell Nigeria. He will sell Nigeria. So why is he talking? The people that are supposed to be talking are not talking. Why are we hearing all these things from Atiku? Imagine Atiku of 4 people making rubbish statements. It's unheard of. Please, let's just forget about the statement that Atiku is making. Tinubu is not doing well.
But I'm not sure that if Atiku was the president, I'm not sure Atiku maybe things would have been slightly better than now.
Atiku would have sold Nigeria to Dubai. That's the truth. If he were to be the president, I'm saying it confidently. Atiku cannot do any better thing for Nigeria. He would have sold this country. A man who is more richer than your president, Obasanjo, as vice, richer than Obasanjo, a criminal, a real criminal, and you are saying that one should come and ruin Nigeria. We know Tinubu is a criminal, but Tinubu is a junior criminal. We know we have senior criminal. Atiku is a senior criminal. Tinubu is a junior criminal. So Tinubu is learning work from Atiku. That's the truth. So where is Atiku to talk? Because he's, the person as a president is a junior criminal. So that one is learning work from him, Atiku. So who is in there to talk? To remind us that Tinubu wants to turn Nigeria to Lagos. What's your business about it? We are the Nigerians. So shut up. Go to your Dubai and rest there. After all, you don't belong to Nigeria. All your investment is in Dubai. So why are you talking? You want to govern Nigeria? You want to govern Nigeria for Dubai or what? Atiku don't provoke me this morning. Because even if I want to hear every other people's statement, not Atiku, not someone like Atiku, what does he have that he wants to give Nigeria? What is it that he wants to give to us? Why must we listen to Atiku? Why in the first place must Nigeria listen to him? This is my anger. Not when I'm talking to somebody.
Is it because Atiku don't have anything to prove?
He doesn't have anything. Even if he's there, he would do worse than Tinubu. Tinubu, let me tell you, what is disturbing Tinubu? I know it. Tinubu is an illiterate. That's the truth. That is what is disturbing Tinubu. I swear to God, that is what is disturbing him. He's just an illiterate. Start illiterate. He did not go to school. That is why he doesn't know where to start from.
But they say he developed Lagos.
Which Lagos did he develop? Let me tell you what happened. Tinubu was not too smart. When he wanted to come into governance, when he wanted to come in as a president, this person told him to remove fuel subsidy. He wanted to dance to the tune of the general. That was what affected him. He wanted to dance to the tune of the general. He wanted to dance to the tune of Buhari so that they would say he respected the military officer. But he never knew that that one is pushing him to fire. That was what happened. So he has removed the subsidy. Now the outcome of the subsidy is what he's saying now. So he cannot control it again. That is where education comes in. Because he's not educated. Tinubu is not educated. Listen, let me tell you Nigerians. Every Nigerians, tell me 80% of Nigerians will believe what I'm telling them. Because 20% will just there. And what is he saying? Shut up and you are dying. The idiot is dying in his house. He's saying, why is this man facing Tinubu? But the idiot is dying in his house. He cannot even feed his own family. 3 square meal. He cannot. And yet he's dying. And yet he's telling me, what is this man saying? Shut up.
Wait, yes, Atiku said, Tinubu created, a company called Alphabeta, which, manage the taxation of Lagos State, and also Premier. But do you not think Atiku is right as regards this,
Yes, Atiku, are you aware that even Tinubu used to refine our oil in his own refinery? Are you aware of that? That's the truth. He will carry our oil to his refinery. All this bunch of criminals that they called, what is it called? See, I tell people sometimes when I talk, I don't address my president as a president. I talk to him like a normal human being because he doesn't deserve it. When you deserve to be called a president, I must see that thing in you that shows that you deserve it. MC Grammar does not give respect ordinary to anybody unless you deserve the respect. And that is why I am. People keep saying a lot of things. The other day, my phone rang. One idiot called me, said he's a military officer, and he was blasting me that they are going to do. I said, shut up. I am more than Nigeria. Please listen to me. I'm from around this world. In case you don't know, go and investigate where they call around this world. So please, let me make my statement. I am angry. I'm a Nigerian that is angry with virtually everything that in Nigeria. I'm bitter about it. And so I need to voice out. And nobody can hold my lips. The problem, even you press and everybody face, is that when somebody is trying to tell you the truth, you don't want it when the person speaks the truth. All of you are afraid. I don't want them to block my line. Who will block your line?
You have to caution what the way you
yes,
say.
You're right.
Okay, and yesterday there was a breaking news that the international passport has been increased for the 32 page has been increased from 35k to 50k, and from the 64 pages was increased from 70k to 100k. But Nigerians have come and said that Tinubu government is really making Nigerians as regards this every day, increment from food items to security to to food to water. That this is becoming unbearable. What can you say to this as regards increment?
All right, I want to say something tonight. I think an increment. This is not the first time we're hearing it. You are just saying passport is still going to 200,000. Yes, passport is going to 200,000. Oh, you just said so from this 50 to that one is just small. We are going to 200,000.
Are you saying
yes, this is Nigeria. We are still going to 200,000. So anything can happen in Nigeria. So it's not just just a clip for 50,000. You are shouting. Oh, you are so obtaining for passport 50,000. You are complaining. One bag of rice is about 70, 80, and you are talking about passport, international one, that you will go to somebody's country. They are selling 50,000. You are complaining. My brother still got 200,000.
But does it make sense? The minimum wage is 75,000, and we are doing passport. We are doing a tattoo page for 50,000. Is that not?
See,
is that not madness?
Understand your question. Say the minimum wage. Does government understand what is minimum wage in this aspect? Who is even talking about minimum wage? Do your government understand what we talk about when they say minimum wage? See, let me tell you the truth. I am very angry in this country, but left to somebody like me, I keep saying it, that the only thing that is spoiling this country are our religious leaders. Our religious leaders, they are the one. I don't even blame these politicians. Let me tell you, the politicians wouldn't have achieved what they achieved without the religious leaders. I will tell you why. They will go to religious leaders. Your pastor will come and preach and tell you, cool down, things are going to be all right. It is, they have given them money. Then the man will come and talk rubbish too. They have given them money. But assuming Nigeria is not a country with Christianity or Muslim, or more, we go down kill somebody for this country. But because Christians will come pacify you, Muslims will come pacify you. Now, if you want to act, you cannot act. That is why someone like me, I'm neither a Christian or a Muslim. I hate it. I hate religion and I dislike it. It doesn't help anybody's future. Look, go to China. They don't have religion, they're making it. Go to India, they don't have religion. But you have religion, you are suffering. You people are cowards. That's what it means. You people are cowards. Because if a country like India, who doesn't have religion, is treating you medically, medically treating you, Kinoje treating you medically. The people you say they are idol worshippers, they are the one treating you medically, collecting your money to better their own economy. China producing everything. I want you to church in here, producing everything, then bettering their own economy. But you that you are going to church and mosque, you are dying in poverty. Ẹ̀yin ọmọ Naija, orí ibi tó dé bá yín kò ní dé bá mi. That's the truth. I don't pray for what befalls Nigeria to befall me, because what befell Nigeria is what I call big cause. Over here, we don't investigate. We just enter religion without thinking. Everybody cover their brain. Hey, pastor is there making his money. Adegboye and only making their money.
Okay, so do you think the price for the passport
See,
now?
let me say something. I know, my brother, you that you're watching me, you are hungry the way I'm talking, because I'm facing religious fathers, I'm facing religious people, and that's the truth. That's the truth.
Okay. But do you think the price for the passport? Do you think Tinubu government now should reconsider, bringing the price down at least, or because they said it will take effect from 10 days from now? Do you not think at least they should be, it should take effect from January 1st of next year, 2025?
Okay, let me tell you what is going to happen. What I expect Tinubu to do. Tell somebody to bring it prayer. See, subsidy, that subsidy matter. That is just the only thing to kill all this rubbish that is happening in Nigeria. That subsidy matter, leave it the way it is before. That is the only thing that can control the prices of goods and services increasing here and there. Leave that subsidy like that. The subsidy has been in existence before your arrival. He has been there before your existence. He has been there before you were even born. You know that?
But it's adamant that the subsidy is non-negotiable.
What is subsidy is not negotiable. Now let me ask you something. Subsidy is the only thing that Nigerians are benefiting from government. Now you say you don't want us to benefit. Can you imagine? You don't want us to benefit again. This is the only thing we are benefiting from government. Benefit any other thing. It's only subsidy. Now you say no. You want to remove it. So the best thing, Tinubu should bring subsidy back. Let us go back, and then prices of everything will start to fall back. Prices of everything, rice, everything, they'll go back. That is the only thing. But they say, okay, do you think Tinubu will come remove passport price and just speak? Is it possible? When they talk like chimpanzee, is it possible? They cannot. We don't expect it to remove this thing. See, let me tell you something. When I talk sometimes, I hope this video will go viral, and I'm sure it's going to go viral. Listen, if you're watching me, share this video. Anywhere you watch it, share it. I want it to go viral, because Nigeria need to understand our problem. We are the problem of ourselves. Nobody's doing it. Some stupid people will tell you spiritual thing. Who is spiritual? Talon sharing spiritual. Talon sharing spiritual. There is no spiritual happening to Nigeria, except we are the one causing the problems ourselves. Look at what is happening. Today, when Jonathan was there, I was criticizing Jonathan government. But today, the government I criticize is a better government. That's the truth. I criticize the only no. That's the truth. He's a criminal. Call a criminal. He's a criminal too. But I criticize him. But today is better than all this. I want Buhari and Tinubu. That is Nigeria for you. Nigerians have forgotten that only no Jonathan. We are forgiving his only part. We are not looking at the economy. But anyway, so what am I trying to say? What MC Grammar is trying to say is that we need to put this country back into shape. And it's time we do it. All of you are lucky I'm not a military man. If I am, I don't need to tell you what I will do by now. There would have been coup everywhere, I'm telling you. But you guys are lucky. I'm not a military man, so I'm just a bloody civilian. But no problem about it. But I want to say this to all Nigerians. In case you are just hearing my voice for the first time, this is MC Grammar. Everybody knows me on social media. I'm a man who doesn't have his feelings. I'm a man who says things the way it is. And I'm a man nobody can do anything about. Even the government cannot do anything about me. I am a man that is bigger than the country. So please, I want to say this. I believe these few points I've given to you, all of you have been able to believe that Everything I said to you about Nigeria is nothing but the correct. Please share this video and let it get to everybody. Thank you
And
very
said,
much.
you know, never will that happen in Nigeria. Someone like Uzodinma and Ganduje becoming the president.
Don't you know that Asare Okobo is a why could if fly flies, it will catch fly, beat them. If cockroach pass, you got a book for cockroach, climb it, match it. Nothing that comes across Asare Okobo that he will not react. There are things you see, you overlook it. Who is Ganduje to win election in Nigeria? Can Ganduje win election in Kano State? He was former governor of Kano State. My brother, I don't know why Asare Okobo is always insane. The way he reacts, that man is a troublemaker way. Because I don't see him reacting against Uzodinma's presidency. Uzodinma that cannot win election in his kinsmen, they can't vote for him in Imo State. And they are talking about the whole southeastern Nigeria voting for Hope Uzodinma. Which Fulani like Igbo man to be president? Hope winning election in the north? Oga, Asare Okobo, he should go and measure the level he has gone down mentally. Because he is not behaving normal. If Ganduje becomes president or come to, jostle for office of the presidency, see, I don't care because I know that Ganduje can never win an election. I don't care about Hope Uzodinma's warming up to become Nigerian president under APC. Why? I know that APC is what? Oh my God. Failure on arrival. Anything political party platform in Africa. APC is 0.00000%. If they are not going anywhere, why should I just be worrying myself over Hope Uzodinma presidential ambition, over Ganduje's presidential what? Cupidity. This one not even ambition. It's just being zealous, overzealous for nothing. But I know that exalted office is not going there.
The combination, do you not think can materialize?
The combination is Lucifer and Satan, two of them. How do you think that Lucifer and Satan will go and run office of the president as Asoro?
Are they not the same person?
Organize. Oga Lucifer and the Satan.
It's the same person.
Are they the same person?
Yeah, the same
Lucifer.
entity.
Oga, wait. Oga, dead on arrival. Hope Uzodinma and Ganduje can never see that office. Do you know that anytime you mess, the foul smell will be following you now? How do they expect Hope Uzodinma to be there? A murderer? Oh my God. Go to Imo State and have opinion poll. Profile Hope Uzodinma. On his profiling, Hope Uzodinma, go to Imo State. Just opinion poll to profile the personality of the person of Hope Uzodinma.
But some have come and said that there are false allegations that people.
False allegation. Blood is blood. We've seen it on social media. Many people testify to it. Many traders in Oba. How many of them around me here? One of them here, his boy that came to serve him went home, traveled to come back. The boy did not come back. Soldiers ordered by Hope Uzodinma murdered an innocent boy. So what are you telling me? The whole Omuma community in Olu, Omuma, they are testifiers of what I'm saying about Hope Uzodinma, of what social media platform is saying about Hope Uzodinma. No medium on the internet today is telling wrong story about Hope Uzodinma. Every medium, Facebook, YouTube, X, as in Twitter, then Instagram, all of them are saying the truth concerning what Imo State governor is doing across Imo State. He was a governor that won the whole 27 local government. He did not fail. He did not lose in one local government. It's a lie. Oga Hope Uzodinma should go. If it is only the APC intra-party election that will take him to the promised land, he should carry on, go on and become president of their country, not Biafra land. Okay, I don't agitate anything concerning Nigeria. I agitate for Biafra. Well-being of the people of that region, well-being of that state. Emergence of Biafra is
as fast as what? Second time. Yeah, that's what they call it, second hand. It's coming as fast as possible. I don't care about Hope Uzodima's presidency. Rather, am I looking forward to see rather I'm looking forward to see a Biafra emergence. So my brother, forget Ganduja and the Hope Uzodima.
Maybe why I started to come my mind is because maybe he felt that for that poster to have come out, maybe it's Uzodima's team and Ganduje team have combined together, to like just bring it out to the public that see their intention for 2027.
And then that agitation or ambition or whatever, where it is leading to, or however, from where it spring up, whether not from pit of hell or from a Hope Uzodima's office, I don't care. It's not feasible. It is not tenable, and it is not obtainable. It's not even. It cannot be availed. It cannot be availed. It is impossible. We know him as a bad man. Yoruba man know Hope Uzodima as a bad man. Forget that they are not Igbos. They know all his excesses, what his activities as a governor of Imo State, both within and without. That's outside Imo State government house. We know him as a pretender. He's a hypocrite. He's a killer. He's a murderer. I'm an Igbo man, his brother. But I'm telling you that I can never support him, and I don't see him going far about that. No.
As an Igbo man, you don't support him?
No, he's not going far. Hope Uzodima is not the kind of Igbo man that will go to the office there and excel. If that kind of man go to the office of the presidency, he cannot excel. He will turn Nigeria to a 419 camp. A camp of what? Fraudsters. Hope Uzodima, do you know him? Before you allow somebody like that to go there, you must profile him well. Do you know his antecedents, what he has done in the past? The previous records of Hope Uzodima. I'm an Igbo man, we don't hide vanity in our sight. I cannot hide Hope Uzodima because he's an Igbo man. I will turn my back and say, he should go now. Na Igbo man, now we. Awalawa, no, we don't do Awalawa. Tiwantiwa know where we are. Hope Uzodima cannot be there.